Today, we're diving into the world of property maintenance, and we've got something exciting in store for you. If you're a homeowner who takes pride in their property, you won't want to miss this. We're talking about your driveway, that unsung hero that withstands the test of time. So, grab your notepads because we're about to uncover the secrets of driveway cleaning and sealing. Picture this, your driveway, the gateway to your beautiful property. It's seen it all, from cars coming and going to the unpredictable weather changes. But fear not. Regular cleaning and sealing aren't just for looks, they're your driveway's armor against cracks, weeds, and deterioration. Alright, here's the scoop: cleaning and sealing. They're not just chores, they're investments in your property's future. Get this, your driveway becomes a showstopper with enhanced curb appeal. Plus, it's like a shield against those pesky oil stains, weeds, and Mother Nature's fury. But wait, there's more. A sealed driveway is a breeze to clean and stays strong against cracks, all while maintaining its quality for ages. Step 1. Clear the runway. Move those cars and any obstacles. Step 2. Sweep off the cobwebs, literally. Oh, and those stubborn oil stains. We've got the magic potions for those. Step 3. Bring out the pressure washer. Sweeping motions, top to bottom. Step 4. Inspect the damage. Those cracks and holes need some love. Minor cracks. Patch them up with concrete or asphalt goodness. Major damage. Call in the cavalry, the professionals. Step 5. Choose your weapon, roller or sprayer. Apply that sealant like a pro, no overlapping allowed. We're talking even, glossy or matte perfection. And there you have it. The ultimate guide to driveway cleaning and sealing. Your driveway's ready to shine, and you're armed with knowledge. If you found this video helpful, give us that thumbs up and hit subscribe for more fantastic tips. Until next time, keep those driveways sparkling.